Hi friends, in the last video we have learned about the lambda, and in this video we are going to use the if condition in the lambda. So the syntax is very simple, and the syntax is we have to pass a variable on the lambda, and the lambda has to take that variable. Suppose x is my variable, lambda is keeping that, and it is returning some x to the power 2 or x into 2. And I just, in my requirement is, I just want to put a condition. Suppose my x is even, I just wanted to return x into 2, and if my x is odd, and I just wanted to return x into 3. So in that scenario, I have just write the return part here, and in the if condition I just wanted to write the return part here the return part, and here the if condition, if keyword, and here the condition I will be given. And in the condition, if I am giving x percentage 2 is equal to 0, then I am returning something, and otherwise else I have to return something. Okay, so in this case I am going to return, in the case of return I am just going to, if it is even I am going to return 2, and if it is not even, I am just going to return x into 3. And this is my lambda. I just wanted to save this lambda into a variable, and this is my lambda function, and I am going to call this lambda and print the return value. Here I am passing 8 is my parameter. I am just going to run this program. As you can see, we have passed the variable 8. Okay, and you can see it has written as 16, and in this case I am just going to change it to 18. Okay, so it has written as 18 into 2, this is 36. Okay, so I am just going to pass the variable 17. You can see 17 into 3. Suppose this is the logic. So if we just wanted to put any condition inside the lambda, we have to write this way. The return part will be, if after the if condition, true part will be here, and if keyword will be here, and the condition will be here, and the else part, else keyword will be here, and the else part will be here. Okay, so this is the syntax to add if condition with lambda. In the next video we will be learning about how to filter from a number of elements or a list. Suppose I have a list, and I have some variables or some data inside that list. Okay, so I just wanted to use this lambda to iterate over this list. So those are the maps and filter. In this next series we are going to teach this, and if you have any feedback or any comments, you can go and give in my comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.